What's up, guys? It's Teacher Jacob here. I'm here to show you guys about a new app that came out. It's called Cami. Due to coronavirus and not being able to hand out worksheets, a lot of the worksheets that we use in elementary school require drawing lines or just like simple things like that it's a lot harder to do. And Cami is an app that came out that it helps you load up your PDF document and basically write on it, sign on it, draw on it, add color, add shapes, basically do anything that you need to. And I'm going to show you guys right now how to first go in, create an account 1, 2, 3, and basically get started. And then I'm going to go over I'm going to go over 2 worksheets. They're going to be 2 separate videos. So there'll be a total of 3 videos, just so you guys get a feel of what it is. So yeah, so if you pay attention to my screen right here, if you guys see my cursor, you're gonna go to basically start off, you're gonna go to google.com. Oops. Once you're at Google, just type in Cami, K-A-M-I. You're gonna click on the first one, your digital classroom. From here, you're going to go to create account or sign in if you've already signed in. I've already signed in. What I did is I just signed in from my Google email address. You click that and you sign in. I can try to do it right now again. I'll show you guys. But yeah, so log in or sign up with Google. If you click this and mine was Jacob Myers at sccs.net, because that's Jacob Myers at santacruzcityschools.net. So try to use your guys' classroom or Google emails that they give you. And then from here, you're going to want to make sure that you have them downloaded, both of them downloaded, or just pulled up off the Google Classroom, which is basically just clicking on the file that you're going to get. It'll open up like this. Click right here, download, and save it as what you want. So we're going to be doing the Pink Fairy Armadillo, 3rd grade nonfiction, and then we're going to be doing a worksheet 4, which is more for 1st and 2nd graders. Once you've done that, you're going to go to Open from Computer. And we're going to click on the one that we want, open, and it'll take you to this screen right here. And so let's get started. I'm going to stop this so I can add it to the beginning of the next one. But yeah, that is how you create a Cami account and upload your document. What's up, guys? It's Teacher Jacob back, and as you guys just saw, we just created our own Cami account, went over what Cami was a little bit, and now I'm going to show you guys how to upload a PDF document, a worksheet, and we're going to go over it. I'm going to show you the little tools on the side. Once again, this is an app that helps you write, draw, insert shapes onto PDF documents, highlight. Very simple, very free, easy to use, and it's going to be very helpful during this COVID-19 coronavirus. But basically, what you're going to do, you're going to be on this page, you're going to click Open File, go to My Computer, and the file that you just downloaded, which right now we are going to do Worksheet 4, you're going to click that, and boom. Worksheet 4 is going to come up right here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to click text box. Font size could be whatever. You can adjust it after. You're going to come right here and you're going to put your name down. Teacher Jacob. Now once I'm like this, I see it's like that. I see it's kind of on that red line. I'm just going to move it down a little bit just so that you can see my name and you can read it. Okay. Sight word, the. So for this, we're going to be coloring by number. So let me see. So we're going to be coloring by number, so we want to get a blue color. So we want to color one blue. So we know one is T, right? So we're going to come right here, and we're going to go T, color this blue. If you guys didn't see what I did, I came right here to where it says 12, and I made the stroke thickness the biggest one, only because I know this is a big, big letter. Okay? Once you do that, you realize 2 is green. So you're going to click on the color green, and you're going to do the same thing. If you have a mouse, it is a lot easier, you guys. But practice on trying to color inside of the letter. You don't have to get it precise. It doesn't have to be filled in perfectly. But try to make it look like the letter H for all your letters. And for the last one, you're going to come right here. And E3 is red. I know I'm doing this on a laptop, you guys, so it's a little bit harder. But if you do have a computer mouse, that will help. Another thing that helps if people have are iPads. You can easily download this app, pull up your worksheet, draw on it with a stylus, and it's perfect. Okay, so then we're going to come over to drawing. We're going to go to number 6 just because we want a smaller one. We're going to use black and circle the word. So we're going to go through until we say the, no, T-H-E. And we're going to circle this word. And see how we're just using the drawing tool right now. How many letters are in the word the? 1, 2. So we're going to come right here. 1, 2, 3. 3 letters. Here's a challenge question. How many vowels? There's 1 vowel, 2 consonants. So right here, we're going to go back to color. So since we're going to be doing color, so because we're doing color the word, we want to be able to see the word still. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we're going to click on markup. And we're going to make sure text highlighter is clicked. Then we're going to choose the color we want. I'm going to choose pink. Circle, color the word the, though, no, no, no. It is right here. So we're going to come right here, T-H-E. We're going to make sure we only highlight that. And voila, it shows that. Next, we're going to go down to our drawing tool again. We're going to use our drawing tool. We're going to use the color red. Actually, we're going to use the color blue for trace because I like it. And we're going to come right here and we're going to just trace this line. Try to do it as best as you can. Now remember, I know most of you guys are using Chromebooks, so it is really hard to use. Redo that. So if you have a mouse around the house, then that's a good thing to just pull out and use. Now for the E, we want to start right here, go up and down. Okay, just like that, voila. And for the last one, once again, we're gonna use the draw tool. We're gonna come right here and use black, and we're gonna do it ourselves without tracing. But try your best to make it look exactly like the one above. It's really, really easy to use and simple. It's just that using your mouse is going to be very difficult for the first time, but you'll get used to it. But just like that, and if you make a problem, you come right here, you click eraser, drawings and shapes, all annotations, you just come right here, you can erase that, come back to drawing, and if you want, you can redo it. So it's really, really simple, very, very easy to use. Let's use a bunch of colors, bunch of different stuff. If you needed to use shapes, see where it said, you know how it said circle the word? We could have came over here. Let's just show that. So let's go to eraser. I'm going to erase that. It says circle. Let's go to shapes. Let's add a circle. And you basically put the circle down at the top of the corner like I did right here and drag it. Click and drag until you have the. Boom. And just like that, guys, that's exactly how you guys use Cami, using the things on the side. Same thing right here. You could have just used an ellipse or a circle. But when you're done with that, you're going to come right here. You're going to click download. What I suggest you do the file name as is capital K-M-A-M-I, Cami, Teacher Jacob, because that's my name. If your name is Gael or Sippy or Yaneli or Natalie or Giancarlo or Andreas or John or Aiden or anything, put your name down right there. So then it's Cami, Teacher Jacob, and this is worksheet 4. So we're going to put worksheet 4. Once you've done that, you're going to click Begin Export. When you click Begin Export, it's going to process the document, convert it back into another PDF file. So it's going to download in the bottom left right here. And you guys can see, look, has my name, all the colors, the circles we did, the drawing and tracing. Once you do that, you're going to go back into your Google Classroom. Wherever you found the article from, you're just going to upload that back into this. And make sure you choose the one that says Cami, Teacher Jacob, Worksheet 4. Because that way, you know, hey, that's your completed document because of Cami. It's your name, it's your document because you put your name, and the worksheet that it is. That way, everyone will know. Your teacher, it will be easier for your teacher to find. That's a completed worksheet number 4 done by Teacher Jacob. I hope that was very easy to follow along, very simple. I'll do more worksheets online and try to make them go together and post them later so then you guys get a better feel for it. But remember, this is Cami. It's very simple, very easy to use, and very, very, very beneficial. So I hope that was helpful. This has been Teacher Jacob explaining the Cami app. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys again on Monday.